Hi everybody, today my focus is testing out the pink stuff and seeing how well it cleans my home. I had never heard of the pink stuff till about a month ago when two of my viewers suggested in the comments section. So the Golden Sound Twice and Kayla Moore both suggested that I give the pink stuff a try. So since I hadn't heard of it before, I went to Instagram and I was checking out the pink stuff and I was like, this stuff looks awesome. So then this week, I was at Home Depot buying some birthday gifts for my husband, because his birthday's today, and I saw the pink stuff. So I grabbed it. So the pink stuff does refer to itself as the Miracle Cleaning Paste, so we'll just see how well it cleans my home. It's supposed to be able to clean a whole bunch of different things, so I'm super excited about giving the pink stuff a try. So what I'll do for this video is I will take some maybe before and after stills of the areas of my house that I clean with this, as well as some video shots of me cleaning with it. But I'm really, really excited about getting started with the pink stuff. Let's open it. Ooh. Well, that's a light smell. Look at it. It's very thick. I'm just playing with it with my hand. It's thick. So I'm just gonna use a regular sponge. Kayla, I know I gotta try the Scrub Daddy. I know. But I'm just gonna use a regular sponge until I get one. Let's see how well the pink stuff cleans my home. So in the middle of testing the pink stuff, I ended up by getting a cold and a sore throat and I didn't feel good at all. So for a couple days I was just resting. And then I went to Walgreens to get some throat lozenges for my husband because he got the cold too. And I saw this. So Kayla, I got this Scrub Daddy. Now it's the one that's attached with the sponge. I'm gonna get the original Scrub Daddy once I'm better and can actually shop around and find a store locally that has it. So let's test out this Scrub Daddy with the pink stuff. So I really enjoyed testing out the pink stuff, and when I'm feeling better, I'm gonna test it out in some more places in my home, but for now, I'm gonna leave it with saying that it is a really great cleaner. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have yourselves a great day.